Hi, Paul. Jeff here. I always enjoy reading your posts because you're coming into this industry, this language industry, from outside, just saying, "What the, you know what?" All these things. So, today's one was about the whole thing of the LSPs having and LSIs having been historically kind of driven from kind of these the idea of these conglomerate discounts. The discounts have been everywhere, like the TM discount, the multilingual vendor discount. I mean, I've seen that stuff. And when I worked at TransPerfect, I didn't let that go. I mean, I made people pay every single part of it, right? The whole deal. And I said, no, you'll be coming back in 6 months. You know, they come back, and they want the quality because I gave them good quality. I didn't give them junk, right? So, but this whole diverse set of buyers and trying to be a generalist. It's possible in certain segments, like in machine translation, when I worked in that field and a bunch of vendor for those providers, we were offering one type of technology, and you could you could do dictionary building, you could do TMs and build them in and make them specific. But we do specific sets of dictionaries and specialized dictionaries, and I worked on several of those, and the type of tool for any type of provider, but then we're able to adapt it to the specific vocabulary and have people work on that. Jargon, for specific jargon for any individual institution. So that's kind of specific with a wide range of vertical sectors, right? But one technology or one or two technologies. But yeah, when you're trying to offer the whole thing and all these acquisitions, the problem with acquisitions, when you cover the whole thing, right? You're doing everything from end to end. It's trying to be, well, there's some advantage to that because you can pretty much offer everything to everybody, right? So, but then you got to keep it up and keep the teams going and stuff. It's pretty tough. But we'll see where it goes, right? With all these multilingual vendors with multi-technology and multi-services and everything. But we'll see we'll see where it goes. So thanks for the info. Thanks for the post, and always looking forward to seeing your point of view from being outside. I've been outside the field just as much as I've been in it, right? So it kind of helps to kind of see someone else is going through it. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, take care.